Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Mychael. 1 year, a little over a year since your first hair transplant. You came in here as a bald guy,
Yes.
and we really focused on the frontal 2/3. We captured it perfectly. Tell us what your friends are saying. Tell us your experience over the past year.
Everybody wants, like they're shocked and awe at how much my hair done grew. People are saying I got a mini afro. People are saying, man, I wish I should do it. And I'm trying to tell you, it's never too late. Please come down here. These are the best group of surgeons for hair transplants that you can find in the United States, in the world. Okay, they brought me back from death. Okay, you can't beat this, and you can't put a price on the quality of life you'll have back from having your own natural hair back. Look, this is my own natural hair. This is not a toupee. This is not a wig or nothing like that. This is my own natural hair. I can shape it, style it, comb it, cut it however I want to cut it.
And he's here today actually to finish off what we started. We got the frontal 2/3. Today we are going to go focus only on the crown. Every piece of hair that we get is going into the crown because his front says enough for it. It speaks for itself.
Yes.
His scar, invisible, not possible to be seen, which we'll take some pictures and show you about the scar. People are always asking, well, what about the scar? I don't want the scar. Is there any scar? Do any of your friends ever ask you?
Never asked me about the scar. And everybody else, like, I'm trying to tell you, once you get it done, you're not going to even care about some little micro scar. You're not going to care about it.
And that's probably the best way to say it. It is a micro scar. But the hairline that you have, you look so much younger.
Yeah.
And I'm excited to be able to finish off the product that we started.
Yes, thank you. And trust me, take it from somebody who's had one done himself
I have.
to creating like thousands for other people. And the happiness and the joy when your hair comes back, those first couple of months, when you see in that the little bit come back over, that type of hope, you can't put a price on. You can't. And they want to say you being vain as a man. You're not. You're just getting a second chance.
Well, we are going to now start prepping you for the second procedure, and really excited to finish where I left off. And we're going to follow him throughout the next year. So this is going to be a great day and a great year to follow with you, and I can't wait to see the results in the second half.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.